What if you could create the world you've always dreamed of, with no limitations? What if your short film didn't need a set? Or your animated storybook didn't need an animation team? Imagine a future with coffee table books made of leaves and pressed flowers. Or picture your next concept film set on an alternate Earth, where horses have fish faces and giraffes have octopus legs. Google just answered all those what-ifs with their latest innovation, Veo 3. It's a video generation tool made for creators, people with ideas, with visions, with stories to tell. So, keep on watching. So, Google DeepMind just released something called Veo 3 and Flow, and they're a pretty big deal in the world of filmmaking and storytelling. These tools let you type out a few lines, like a scene idea or a visual description, and they'll actually turn that into a real video. Google Veo 3 is the biggest one yet. It's their most advanced video model yet, designed for creators who want to bring big ideas to life without needing big production. It creates full-on video clips with natural movement, voices that sync up with the lips, music, and sound effects.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
It even adds realistic camera movement, as if you were behind the lens. And if you already have a look or mood in mind, you can describe it or upload a reference image to guide the style. Right now, it's not open to everyone. Only a selected group of creators and partners through early access or Google's premium AI programs are using it. Flow is built to work alongside Veo 3, and it brings everything a creator needs into one place: video generation, visual assets, editing tools, and smart text input. Instead of juggling different software for writing, visuals, and editing, you stay in one creative space. You can build an entire scene from scratch, refine it over time, and manage all your visuals, prompts, and clips together. It's built for creators who want control, flexibility, and speed. Let's start with what you see first: your creator dashboard, where all your projects live. You can scroll through and look at everything you've worked on or are building. When you open a project or create a new one, all the video clips you generate for that story will show up right here. Now look at the prompt box. This is where the creative magic begins. It starts with text to video, which lets you write what you want, and it gives you a video back. But you're not locked in. There's a menu to change modes. For instance, switch to frames to video, and you'll notice little buttons below. These are called chips. They let you set the starting frame, the ending frame, or both. There's also a chip that opens the ingredients drawer, a kind of visual memory bank. It shows you images you've used before, so you can use them again for continuity. You can also upload your own image or create one right inside the tool. Another chip with a camera icon allows you to add camera movement, like zooms or pans, without having to type anything. You'll even get a quick preview of what that movement will look like in your scene. Now let's talk about ingredients to video. This one's especially useful for creators who work in character-driven or location-based storytelling. Instead of just setting a first or last frame, you pick a few key ingredients, like a character, a location, or an object, and then describe how they should appear or behave. As you reuse the same ingredients across multiple clips, your videos start to feel consistent and cohesive, like they belong to the same story world. If you're happy with what you've made, you can add it to the scene builder. Just hover your mouse over the clip and click Add to Scene. Inside Scene Builder, you can organize all your clips into a bigger unified scene. There's a tool called Jump To that helps you figure out what comes next, based on how your last clip ended. You can trim clips using handles, extend them with new prompts, and even save individual frames to reuse as design elements later. Once you've arranged your full scene, you can drag the clips around, rearrange the story flow, and finally, click Download to get your finished creation. It's that intuitive. Right now, tools like Sora and Pika can generate video that looks surprisingly real. but none of them can generate sound to match the visuals. That's what makes Google's Veo 3 perfect, because it's the first tool to bring both video and audio together from the start. If you're a content creator, animator, filmmaker, or even a solo storyteller, this opens up a whole new way to work. And it all comes bundled under the Google AI Ultra plan, which costs $249 for 3 months. But here's the deal. You can get a 50% discount if you join early. That means you can start creating with the full power of Veo 3 for just around $124. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.